Why do we get the hiccups? Hey kids, do you know what's actually happening when you go hic? It all has to do with a special muscle in your chest called the diaphragm. Think of the diaphragm as a thin, stretchy muscle sheet that helps you breathe. It moves up and down smoothly, but sometimes it gets a bit grumpy and starts to twitch or shrink very fast. When that happens, air rushes into your throat suddenly. Your vocal cords snap shut to block it and hic! That's the sound you hear. What makes your diaphragm grumpy? Eating your food way too fast, drinking too many fizzy, bubbly sodas, feeling very excited, or getting a sudden chill. But don't worry, hiccups usually go away quickly. It's just your body's way of having a little hiccup moment.